I'm Bree the Plant Lady.
And I'm AIDAN.
We're here to do another neighborhood foodscape. Our first step is to empty all of this compost right on top of the mulch in this foundation landscape bed. So are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's flip it over. I think maybe if we start from the bottom. It might be too heavy. We might need to use a shovel. Time to use a shovel. All right, we've gotten the soil down into the foundation bed. We made it really thick. That way we'll be able to grow lots of things and we'll know that it has great soil. So what do you guys want to plant?
I think we should grow broccoli.
And we've got broccoli starts to plant today. What do you think, Abby?
I want to plant strawberries in here.
Awesome. We're going to dig strawberries up from my home garden and we're going to share them with the neighbors who are getting foodscapes. Now, Callie, what do you think?
Water and sun helps flowers grow and flowers live that way.
That is exactly right. And Callie brings up a really important point. This is an east-facing foundation landscape, so it gets sun through the morning to midday, and then as the sun goes overhead and gets on the other side of the house, it casts a nice shadow. So for shrub material that could go in here, encore azaleas, gardenias, even hydrangeas would be well suited for this location. So next step is going to be to get some of our vegetables planted.
And some flowers and strawberries.
That's right. All right. All right, we managed to get this foundation bed planted. For this turn, we did broccoli, strawberries, and then we seeded crimson clover, buckwheat, and millet. So it's going to be pretty fun to see all of this grow out. And then in a few weeks when it gets warmer, we're going to be able to add warm season vegetables like cantaloupes and peppers, because I know you love peppers. And, you know, maybe some basil and other herbs that are really practical for using in the kitchen. So stay tuned for our progress.
Yay, yay,
Thanks for
yay,
tuning
yay,
in.
yay, yay, yay.
Foodscape Revolution Neighborhood Edition.